The Summer Business Academy, or SBA, was developed to give undergraduate students an opportunity to experience business education and to get exposed to what business education can do for them.
I think what makes the Summer Business Academy so unique is its involvement in the community as well as the business school, being able to learn from world-class professors and also use some of that knowledge in the urban community that's nearby is really such an impactful opportunity.
We bring students who are really motivated to experience something new in their lives. Carey challenged the students. They positioned them for competition. They also positioned them for leadership, confidence, and courage.
They're going to have hands-on experiences where they're testing their skills. They're going to stand up and deliver a pitch to business leaders. They're going to have mentorship, and they're going to build lifelong friendships with their cohort.
The importance of the program to me is the fact that we really get to help shape the future leaders. You can really help see the growth and maturation of the students from day 1 to day 10. And it's something that the other students are excited to see, and it's something that us as sponsor are very excited to see as well.
We really pushed each other to be better, whether it was our personal pitch competitions or the case competition. Many of these students that are in these cohorts are some of the brightest students nationwide. I really believe the Summer Business Academy is setting up these students for a great amount of success within the future to be great leaders.